Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to Bitcoin update for this is going to be 18th of October. We are looking at Bitcoin for Tuesday right here right now, and we're kind of still sideways, which is pretty boring to me, and I'm sick and tired of what's going on. We're trying to actually break out of this resistance line right there, and yeah, let's see, can you really break out of it? Are you going to dump today, which you could actually end up being rejected here and not making it to the upside the way we're expecting it? So it could be a little bit of a trying to push up like this and try to break out of that resistance right over there, but we could actually end up coming down once again. And I'm gonna dive into the 4-hour time frame at the moment, and let's look at the 4-hour time frame right there. Now there's one resistance that you're looking forward to, and if you break this resistance, then you're looking for Bitcoin to push a little bit higher. So if I do bring in that resistance right there, you do have this almost like a cup here. I don't know if Bitcoin is looking to go for a handle right there, and if that actually becomes cup and handle, all in all, what we need to see is break out of here, backtest a little bit, and that could be a good day trade for nearly this technical target. It's gonna be from there to there, and we're looking for $20,441. Okay, so yeah, we could probably just push a little bit to 20,440, maybe 21,000. Now if that happens, that still shows that Bitcoin never backtested this line, and you could actually just pump here, and you do have a little bit of resistance. Look at your left side right over there, because that's almost like a supply zone. You have this rejection went down, you came up, rejection went down again, and if you do actually end up breaking out of that pattern, it takes you back to that resistance, get rejected, come back for the retest, make a fake out, and then drop down to 14,000 as soon as you can. Sentiments, it's still the same. The market structure overall based on other environment, and by environment I'm talking about Forex, S&Ps, Vanguards. We're still not looking quite good. We're still not looking quite good on a monthly time frame. October has 12 days to close. November is coming in. Fed meeting is in November. There are two different dates. One is going to be 2nd of November, and one is going to be 12th or 13th of November, where we have two different Fed meetings. So if October is going to be sideways, normally October pump. Speaking of October, which leads me to say the Q4, which is going to be October, November, and December. These 4 months are normally good for crypto, but it seems like for the first time in a while, we're not getting that kind of numbers or that kind of performance that we normally look at Q4 and whatnot. So let's see. Bitcoin is trying to break out of here. We still need to wait for the retest. I'm pretty sure today they might drop it down. They like to drop it down on Tuesdays and take stop losses, continue lower. I mean, structure is still not decent, but it can take one great candle with a great volume to change and flip everything on it. It just takes that one shot, that one moonshot to literally change everything. Okay, after all this boring movement like this and boring movement like that, it's almost like you're printing in huge left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder, which doesn't make sense in a downtrend. It makes more sense in an uptrend. But anyway, you're really at a very big, crucial resistance right now. And if you can cross that resistance, it could be pretty amazing. And that's pretty much it for this quick one on Bitcoin at the moment. Still the same as before, as we talked before. Nothing has changed, and let's see if we can go up to 20,444 by breaking that pattern. And I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.